Wisconsin. Our family friends have invited us to stay at their home for a little weekend getaway, kind of like a pre-honeymoon before our wedding ceremony next week. They live on a lake way up north, so there's tons to do, whether it be on a lake, in nature, in one of the small nearby towns. It's very peaceful here, very cozy here. So definitely a switch up from our normal day-to-day city life. So I'm really excited to see what we get up to. To freshen up for dinner, looking a few shades redder. Definitely got some sun today, but I love it. Give me all the sun. I've been dreading our last morning here, but unfortunately it is that day. I'm gonna finish packing and then soak up the last bit of moments right by the lake.
We're back home, back to the city, back to routine, but wow, was that a fun trip. Every single thing we did this past weekend felt like something straight off of a summer bucket list. That trip really just gave me the perfect fill of summer before we get into wedding month. I just love it up north, spending time in the country and in nature. It's just a different feeling. I always ask myself every time we're there why we don't go more often, because I always have the best time. There's just so much small town charm and I feel so in tune with nature. Just feels like a little bit simpler living up there, and I just love that feeling. So grateful we were able to go. So grateful for our families for wanting to host us and wanting to spend the weekend before our wedding ceremony with us. It'll definitely be a memory we'll hold close to our hearts forever as part of our ceremony weekend, as part of our wedding month. And they were so kind as to offer us to come back anytime. So we may be back sometime this fall already to come see the leaves change and all of the beautiful, beautiful scenery in a new season. So I will be counting down the days until we get to go back. But for now, we're gonna count on the days until we get married, because that is what's next for us. I am genuinely just so giddy and excited to get married to this man, and we're literally days away from doing that. So I'm really looking forward to the day and hoping you'll join me next week for that video and for that experience. Until then, as always, thank you so much for joining me for this very special weekend getaway adventure. Let me know your highlight of the trip, which part you liked best. I hope you have a great week, and I will catch you in my next one.